So what actually happens when your training program starts taking off, but your software budget stays completely flat? It's a massive pain point. Whether you're training employees, running a certification program, or building online courses, you absolutely need a genuinely capable platform to deliver that knowledge. But when your success actually starts costing you way more than you can afford, well, something's got to change. Welcome to this explainer.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Today, as part of Module 18, we're dissecting the world's most popular open-source learning management system, Moodle. If you are serious about building an academy or a training program from the ground up, this is an explainer you really won't want to miss.
Here's our roadmap for today. We're going to look at the LMS pricing trap, meet Moodle as the solution, break down the actual costs, walk through a real-world business scenario, and finally, look at how to get started successfully.
Section 1. The LMS pricing trap, the penalty for scaling your education programs.
Right, so growing businesses face this incredibly painful dilemma. On one side, you have your free course platforms. But let's be honest, these are essentially just basic video hosting sites. They completely lack the structured assessments, the progress tracking, and those formal certification features that a real training program absolutely requires. Then, on the flip side, you've got commercial learning management systems, platforms like Docebo or Cornerstone On Demand. Now, these are fully capable, for sure, but they charge these scaling per learner or per course licensing fees. Basically, they penalize you for growing. The more successful and widespread your training program becomes, the more insanely expensive it is to maintain.
Section 2. Meet Moodle, the solution, the global standard for open source learning management.
So, Moodle has an absolutely incredible pedigree. It is literally the world's most widely used free and open source learning management system, and it has been in continuous active development since all the way back in 2002. It's released under the GPL license, which means it is completely free to self-host. It boasts this massive global community and ecosystem, and it's trusted by everyone, from tiny small businesses right up to major prestigious universities. It is without a doubt the dominant open source LMS worldwide.
And Moodle isn't just about throwing a video up on a web page, It's a complete digital campus. You can build these highly flexible course sequences that let you seamlessly weave together text, video, documents, and interactive content. You get automated quizzes with a ton of different question types, automated grading, and incredibly detailed performance tracking. And for your professional programs, it completely automates the generation of completion certificates. Plus, you get a centralized gradebook for all those assessment scores and built-in discussion forums to foster actual, meaningful interaction among your learners.
But listen, an LMS doesn't just live in a vacuum, right? Integration is absolutely key. Say you need live instructor-led sessions. It integrates directly with video conferencing platforms like Zoom or the Jitsi Meet tool we actually covered earlier in this series. For IT access management, it supports single sign-on through standard identity protocols like LDAP and SAML. And for your HR team, who, let's face it, always love a good automated spreadsheet, Moodle has a REST API to sync training completions directly back into your existing HR systems. Plus, there is this extensive plugin marketplace where you can add things like gamification and highly specialized assessment types to really engage your learners.
Section 3. Breaking down the costs. Why businesses are making the switch.
$40 to $80, that is a number I really want you to keep in your head. A self-hosted Moodle setup running on a properly sized server typically costs just $40 to $80 a month. And here's the kicker. That cost remains totally flat, regardless of your learner count. Your only actual limit is your server infrastructure.
Just imagine a company with, say, 200 active learners. With a commercial LMS, that easily runs several hundred to even a few $1,000s every single month. And that price just keeps climbing with every single new hire. But with self-hosted Moodle, you're looking at that flat $40 to $80 server fee with zero licensing costs. None. Even if you decide you don't want to self-host and you opt for Moodle Cloud's managed tiers instead, it generally remains far more affordable at scale than comparable commercial platforms. The annual savings here are just incredibly significant.
Section 4. Real-world business scenario. From ad hoc training to an automated academy.
Let's consider a real-world transformation to put this into perspective. Step 1. You've got a growing company that's struggling, relying on scattered Word docs and that classic tap-on-the-shoulder verbal onboarding. It's totally chaotic. Step 2. They decide to deploy Moodle, building structured onboarding courses that actually include quizzes to verify people are comprehending the material. Step 3. This becomes a massive win for HR.
They instantly gain crystal-clear automated compliance reporting and auto-generated certificates confirming when training is completed. And then, step 4, the big pivot. The company realizes they can use this exact same Moodle installation to offer paid certification courses to external clients, generating brand new revenue without adding a single dime in additional platform costs. Now, there is a really critical structural advantage here that we need to highlight. By self-hosting, you keep all of your course content and all of your learner data entirely within your own infrastructure. Why does this matter? Well, if you are running compliance-related training, those completion records might need to be retained for really strict audit purposes. Having 100% ownership and control over your own data is a massive operational and security advantage for any business.
Section 5. Getting started successfully. Navigating the trade-offs and the migration path.
Okay, we need to be real for a second. The reality of free is that it always comes with trade-offs. Moodle is incredibly comprehensive, but it absolutely has a genuine learning curve for new administrators and instructors. It requires a real investment of time in instructional design because a good course structure matters just as much as the tool itself. If you are self-hosting, that demands ongoing server maintenance and security updates, which means taking regular backups and staying on top of things. Finally, Moodle's interface is very traditional and functional. It doesn't always have that ultra-polished consumer-style feel of some of the newer commercial platforms out there.
So, if you're ready to migrate from a commercial LMS, let's look at how this builds out over a typical 6 to 12-week period. Because course formats rarely transfer automatically, you're going to need to recreate some content. Weeks 1 and 2 are critical here. Do not rush this. Build and thoroughly test just a single pilot course. Then, in weeks 3 to 5, resist the urge to migrate everything all at once. Prioritize recreating only your most critical, actively used courses. In weeks 6 to 8, run your old commercial LMS and Moodle in parallel so your learners aren't disrupted right in the middle of a course. And finally, by weeks 9 to 12, complete the migration. Just note that learner history usually doesn't transfer very well, so most organizations just start fresh with Moodle's tracking going forward.
To ensure a smooth launch, you definitely want to avoid a few common mistakes. Like we just talked about, don't roll out a massive catalog before validating that single pilot course. Next, do not underestimate the time required for instructional design. A platform is literally only as good as the teaching inside it. You need to make absolutely sure your course creators are thoroughly trained on Moodle's assessment and reporting tools. Otherwise, you're just underutilizing its most valuable tracking capabilities. And lastly, never, ever skip regular platform updates if you are self-hosting, especially since you are storing sensitive learner data. So, bringing it all together, the crucial point is this. On ease of setup, Moodle requires your time. But on functionality per dollar spent, it is an exceptional value. On long-term scalability, its global ecosystem proves time and time again that it handles serious scale. If your business needs structured employee training, formal certification programs, or client education that goes way beyond simple video hosting, Moodle delivers that required depth for absolutely free. Which leaves us with this final question to ponder. Are you ready to stop paying per learner and actually start building your own academy? Think about the annual savings and the structural control you could regain for your business. Well, that brings us to the end of today's explainer on Moodle. Next time, we are going to wrap up Module 18 by exploring Canvas LMS, which is another open-source giant with incredibly strong roots in higher education. Until then, keep learning and keep building.